Just describe the entire process of Sikandar that was for you.
I don't know. Every time they say Friday decides our career. We are not what we were last year or what we were year before. Every Friday is new. That's why I decided this time I will not release on a Friday. I'll release it on a Sunday. Let Sunday decide my fate. Thank you.
But simple, now you've seen the film. वो होता है कि first shot में, वाह, I love it. No. As a producer, also, as a director, when you saw a film, are you able to say, yes, it worked for me?
Short, you're asking short?
No, film, whole film, sir. When you see the whole film, have you walked away and said, perfect, there are only 5 days to go now?
Yeah, yeah.
Are you fully satisfied now?
Yeah,
Any more cuts left? No.
Yeah. Hero introduction, interval black, climax, all high points I like.
5-day shooting still left.
So I want to share a few words about my producer. He's not only producer, he's a creative guy. So he's a director himself. He's a writer, and he has
ये
very
एक
good.
दूसरे पे डाल रहे हैं.
He has very. What, sir?
I have done this film because my fans wanted me to work with Murugadoss and Sajid Nadiadwala and Rashmika Mandana. So I am doing this film. And now, श्रेय इनको जाता है पिक्चर की सक्सेस का. मैं आता था लेट, काम करके जाता था जल्दी.
So, sir, continue.
Continue now. Continue.
So he,
Yes.
Salman sir, you understood that part. He said, I've done this film for you all.
Yeah. That
I used to come in late and I used to leave early. They used to do all the work. That's what Salman sir said.
So, sir, my producer has very
Oh,
good.
यार 7 बजे से लेके 9 बजे तक शूटिंग कराता था आदमी. पसली टूटी है, ये हो गया वो. No, one last shot, sir. 3 shots left, sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Sahid sir has very good music sense also. So I thank you, sir. Thank you so much for the great opportunity. I want to thank your grandfather also for
Not now. You can thank him a few years later. But if you want to thank him right now, we can arrange that also.
You didn't think the press conference would be like this, no? You thought it'd be a little more structured. Yeah, but this is how we do the press conferences here.
No, our shooting was part will be like
Shooting also was like this. We'll come to Sharman. Sharman, good to see you back, brother. This is fantastic. I was reading a story how, it's always like that. He just has such a large heart, and Salman sir is there. It always, I remember when we were doing Race 3 also, and when Bobby sir had come and big body was there and all, and I mean, now, just imagine where he's reached. It's fantastic. You look at Bobby 2.0. Look at how it's happened. Is this going to be Sharman 2.0?
I hope so. Good evening, everyone. I would really like to firstly thank Salman sir for all the love he's given me throughout the making of this film. I've really enjoyed working on this film. I would also like to thank Sajid sir for this wonderful opportunity. Murugadoss sir, thank you so much. And all the lovely ladies and Satyaraj sir. It's been a wonderful journey. Salman sir was nothing like what I'd heard before. And he was an absolute, I know everyone believes he's a gem and he is one, but I experienced it for the first time and I was really, really honored to share screen space with him. So yeah, thank you.
Salman sir, but this film has a lot of action also,
It has everything.
You have
It
to
has
carry
everything.
that with you all the time. There's a lot of emotion. I love that last sequence in the end where Rashmika is singing the song also. Beautifully done. Does this get tougher also to be able to live up to everyone's expectation, to marry everyone?
With the years of experience and the enthusiasm still there, it's getting easier.
Best part that you liked about the trailer that you're watching right now, you watched it in totality, we saw it twice, what you liked
The
most?
best part I liked of the trailer was the whole trailer, but the second half of the trailer was amazing with that.
I would love to make her sing that again, but it was fine. Will you sing it, sir? Salman sir, will you sing it? I'll have the entire crowd sing with you. The lyrics, right?